welcome back everyone. I hope you guys are doing great. আপনাদের সবাইকে Wareeth Styles-এ স্বাগত জানাচ্ছি. Today's video is going to be on my 2018 Toyota Camry. You guys already know I made some video about the 2018 Toyota Camry. I brought some parts from eBay, you know, the decorative parts, so I couldn't even install all of them on the last video. So I'm going to do that on today's video, and I really hope you guys enjoyed the last video, and also I'm hoping you guys gonna enjoy this video what I'm gonna do today. So whatever the leftover parts I have from eBay that I didn't even install yet, I'm going to do that today. Well, so let's get it started. Today we are going to start with this front lip corner cover for 2018 Toyota Camry. This is also carbon fiber print. Obviously it's not a original carbon fiber, but I'm going to show you where it's going to be. This is going to be right here. So I was trying to clean this surface, and then I'm gonna put some alcohol, as you know, so the sticker is going to be stick better. Anyways, so let me put that on, and then let's see how it looks. Alright, so here we go. Well, they had some missing area. They didn't put the glue over here, but I had my own. I put it with mine. The thing is, the one they have is transparent, but the one I have is kind of gray, so it's not going to match. But the thing is, it doesn't matter because it's gonna be under it. It's not going to be visible anyway. Okay, so the moment of truth. Trying to put as much force as I can, so I have to make sure those glues are sticking. Okay, so here we go. That's how it looks. Beautiful, right? Red carbon fiber, I'm not really a fan of it, but I didn't really get the regular red, so that's what they had, but it's not bad. I guess it's looking good. What do you think? Let me know in a comment below. This is how the other side looks. Beautiful, right? Well guys, now I'm going to put all these carbon fiber printed outer exterior handle cover and the bowl. So let's get started. I'm going to show you guys how does it look. Well, I have to clean this area nicely before I put that exterior handle cover and the bowl. Now I'm going to put some alcohol. Alright, so this is the bowl right here, and these are the tape they have, you know, attached here, and this is the one I did because I needed some extra, you know, protection so it doesn't really come off. So let's just take this off and let's put that on. And this is for front door, because front door and the back door has different shape. Okay, so this is how it's going to look, and now I'm going to put the handle cover. Alright, so here we go. This is the front handle cover, and I'm going to take these off. And for the extra protection, I put some glue at the middle. Alright, so this is how it's going to look. I think the sun is bothering us, so let me give you guys some shadow. Now you can see. Beautiful, right? Carbon fiber print, handle cover, and the bowl. I'm going to do the same way at the back, and then I'm going to show you guys how does it look, you know, both of them. This one is rear window wing roof spoiler. This is glossy black. This is for 2018 Toyota Camry. So now we are going to install this and we'll see how does it look. Well, let's get into it. Well, it looks like I have to put the tape on it. The tape came with it, but they didn't install it. So let's just install the tape first. Screws are really cheap. I mean, all these products that I brought, all these are from China, obviously, So let's put the glue on, and then I'm going to come back after I've finished doing it. So they really put some extra tape. I'm really glad. So that's how I had a chance to double it, as you can see here. So hopefully it's going to really stick on it. Alright, so let's take it off. So as you can see, this is how it looks. This is a rear window roof spoiler, as I told you already. Beautiful, right? So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it, because I am really liking the decorative parts that I have installed so far. I have some more parts that I couldn't even install yet. I'm going to do that on next video. Well, make sure you guys check out the 2018 Toyota Camry playlist in my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, you guys have a good one. Take care.